The overall goal of this protocol is to use zebrafish to observe the effect of nephrotoxins, such as gentamicin or cisplatin, to model acute kidney injury.
The main advantage of this technique is that the zebrafish model enables real-time imaging of cell damage and regeneration after acute kidney injury.
To begin this procedure, prepare an embryo manipulation tool for positioning the embryos for microinjection by attaching a gel loading tip on the end of a 5-inch straight dissecting needle and secure it with tape or superglue. Next, prepare some fine-tapered microinjection needles by pulling the fire-polished borosilicate glasses with filament using a pipette puller. Then, use a razor blade or fine forceps edge to cut the needle tips to create sharp angular injection tips. Subsequently, place the needles on a strip of modeling clay in a petri dish to protect the needle tips. To make the microinjection tray, prepare 1.5% agarose E3 solution in a 100 ml Erlenmeyer flask by dissolving the agarose with E3 in the microwave. Then, allow the mixture to cool at room temperature for approximately 10 minutes. Pour the cooled agarose E3 solution into a petri dish to make a foundation with a depth of approximately 0.5 centimeters. After it has solidified, pour a second layer of agarose E3 solution. Then, insert the prefabricated embryo well mold into the agar at an angle to avoid any air bubbles, and allow the agarose to solidify at room temperature. After the entire microinjection tray has set, lift the prefabricated embryo well